Welcome back. So now in this video we will just simply show the user number, and also right after we will just show the description for this specific post that the user will upload. So what we will do now, below this row widget in here, we will just take another row widget, okay, and right at end comma, take this brush down. In here we'll take the children, and let's go ahead and add the icon for that specific user number that we are about to create. So in here we'll say icons, then we said dot phone. We'll go with the phone Android, that is fine in here, and right after we will do some padding in here, okay. In here remove that 1p. So what I'll do, just remove that for now, we will add it just in a while. Right at end comma, take this brush down. In here you guys know already, as usual, as in sect, we will do that. So we will go with the dot only. We will just set the left right in here to 10.0 and take this down. Take the child again in here, take the child in here, and let's take the align widget in here. There we go, this location. Now alignment, we will go with the dot top right. As you guys can see, suggestion, take this down. Now take the child again, text widget in here, and right inside that let's go ahead and just get the user number, okay. So widget dot user number, it will work just fine. Now add the const modifier just to remove those yellow lines, so the code will be clean then. Now if you guys just didn't hot reload the app, first do that. I have already hot reloaded the app, so I'll just go and open any of the posts. In here I'll just press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice the user number with it, okay, with this specific post right in here. Ctrl S, and there we go on the right side, okay, top right. That's the user number, and there we go with the icon. It's working totally fine, and you guys can see the output in here. Now we are about to go and just get the description. So before that we will create some height between the user number and the description that we are about to create. So below this padding, as you guys can see, that one in here, let's have the size box. We'll give the height to 20.0. Add and comma, take this down. Now just get the padding widget in here, add and comma, and in here as usual padding, edge in sect, we will go with the dot only. This time we will set the left and right, so the left will be 15 and also the right gonna be just 15.0 also. Right after that, what we will do, we will take the child text widget in here, and in there what we will say, widget dot description. It's gonna just simply get the description. Now below that we'll say text align. Text align, we'll go with a dot justify, and right after that let's do some style for that. As usual, text style in here, there we go, and we will just set the color, colors dot black, and also with it we'll just add the opacity. So dot with opacity, we'll go with the 0.6 and right at end comma. Now just clean the code on these yellow lines. You guys know, add the const modifier. So all of the working for this specific widget padding has been done for the description, okay. Now I have already hot reloaded the app, you guys know already that, and we will just press the Ctrl S, and there we go with the description. Rolex watch for $3,000. as we entered that description right at the uploading time of this specific post. And if you go back and check another post, for example this one, the old one, purchase child bike for $3,000, and here you guys can see that $sign because we add that $sign right at the uploading time, okay, for this specific post. That's fine. Here you guys can see that. And in here, that first post in here, we didn't add it. So if you guys want to add the $sign right in the description, specific description, you can add it, or if you guys just don't want to add it, then leave it. It's all working fine. So basically that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further. So see you then.